What are the things that you perform for ensuring that there's a smooth checkout process?
I mean, for smooth checkout user experience, we have a very detailed brand guideline in terms of how should the cart icon be, what should be the hover action on it. So there's a very detailed implementation guideline that the UI UX engineers follow. In addition to that, we can use things like one-step checkout. And reduce the number of steps in the checkout. The search needs to be very efficient, effective. So search needs to be really very well thought through. There is to get to a product, we use layered navigation. So we have an extension called layered navigation, and that enhances the roll-up search per se. Because when you navigate away from that search and you go to a product page and you come back, those search criteria are not maintained by default. So our extension has all those advanced features that increases the user experience and make sure that the checkout experience is very smooth. We also do, in addition to that, error monitoring where, we check for the errors during the checkout, and that helps conversion rate optimization as well.
What do you mean by error monitoring?
You must have heard about tools like, Hotjar. They are used for heat map and A/B testing and all those things. We have all heard about all of those things. But one of the tools that we use internally for all of our Magento customers is to make sure that are there any JavaScript errors, or are there any kind of errors during the checkout that a customer is experiencing? Because we are not with the customer to see what is the experience that they are having. Are they having issues or not? So there are tools like Noibu, WebEyes. So we partner with these companies. We use these tools to make sure that there are no checkout errors and exceptions thrown. And we log on to the tool every month. The tool tells us all the places where there are errors that were thrown by the website, and because of that, user was not able to check out. The tool also tells us what was the revenue impact because of that. And once we fix those issues or remedy those issues, those revenues that were lost are saved.